Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the ashwagandha. Have you ever wondered how a single spoon of ashwagandha powder can transform your health? Now, this ancient herb has been a cornerstone of Ayurveda for centuries. And today I'm going to talk about the science backed benefits, the potential health benefits that you will get with the use of ashwagandha powder. Let's get started and know what exactly is ashwagandha. It is also known as Withenia somnifera. It is often called the Indian ginseng for its powerful adaptogenic properties. It's widely recognized for helping the body to combat stress, improve energy levels, and restore the balance. But what happens if you take one spoon of it every single day? Let's talk about the benefits of taking ashwagandha daily so that you can reap the benefits of it. Let's talk about it. The number one is the stress and the anxiety relief. Ashwagandha is known as an adaptogen. Now it helps your body adapt to stress while lowering cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for anxiety and fatigue. Number two is the physical endurance and the muscle strength. If you are into fitness, ashwagandha might be your best friend. Studies show it improves the muscle mass and strength, which reduce the exercise-induced fatigue. Another one is the enhanced fertility. For men, it boosts the testosterone levels and sperm quality. For women, it supports the reproductive health by regulating the hormones. Another one is the mental clarity and focus. Ashwagandha is a brain tonic. It enhances memory, sharpens focus, reduces the brain fog. It is a very excellent choice for students and professionals. Another benefit of ashwagandha is the heart health. It lowers the cholesterol and the triglycerides, promoting the cardiovascular health and reducing the risk of heart diseases. Another one, the sixth one, is the anti-aging effects. The herb protects your body from oxidative stress, which slows down aging at a cellular level. Say hello to the glowing skin and youthful energy with the help of ashwagandha powder. Another one is the supporting of your thyroid. Ashwagandha help regulate the thyroid hormones, especially in the cases of hypothyroidism. Another one is blood sugar regulation. It increases the insulin sensitivity, making it beneficial for diabetes, those patients who are dealing with diabetics, and those who are at the risk of developing the diabetes. Let's talk about the usage and how you can use ashwagandha powder to enjoy the benefits. Proper usage is very important and essential. Let's talk about the dosage. Stick to 1 tablespoon, which is a teaspoon, around 3 to 5 grams per day. The best time to take it is in the morning. Boost energy for the day because then you will take it in the morning. If you can take at night, it is also your choice because it will help promote relaxation and better sleep. So it's up to you to choose which time. Ways to consume is there are many. For example, you can mix it with warm milk and honey for a soothing drink. You can also add it to the smoothies or any herbal teas that you are regularly taking. Another one is you can combine it with ghee, which is a clarified butter for a traditional Ayurvedic remedy, which is definitely going to provide it a very soothing and a good texture. Let's talk about ashwagandha and weight management. Are you trying to manage your weight? Yes, ashwagandha is also going to help you in that way. Reduce the stress eating. By calming your mind, it minimizes the emotionally eating. It also helps to boost the metabolism. It helps balance cortisol, indirectly supporting your weight loss journey. It also supports your muscle growth, essential for weight management, especially if you are exercising. Another one is the side effects and the precautions that you need to generally avoid in order to be safe, and you have to know about it as well. The limitations of it are mild side effects like high doses may cause nausea, upset stomach, or dizziness. So avoid taking a lot of ashwagandha. You just stick to 1 spoon or 2 tablespoons a day. Another one is pregnancy and breastfeeding. Avoid during these stages unless it is prescribed. Medical conditions. Consult a doctor if you have thyroid imbalances or autoimmune diseases, so that you can take the knowledge of healthcare provider in order to reap the benefits and also avoid it in case they ask you to do so. Let's talk about who should take the ashwagandha. Ashwagandha can be beneficial for students who are struggling with this and memory, working professionals dealing with stress and burnout, athletes and fitness enthusiasts looking to enhance the performance, older adults who want to improve their overall vitality. It comes important as well as very different when it comes to all the ages, like from students to older adults. It is helping all of the age groups. Let's talk about the science-backed information research here. A 2012 study showed a 28% reduction in cortisol levels among participants taking ashwagandha. A 2015 study demonstrated a 20% improvement in the muscle strength after 8 weeks of supplementation. So this way you can enhance, you can maximize your body with the help of ashwagandha powder, from stress relief to enhance energy. That's the powerhouse. So thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your loved ones. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe as well.